So if you are using your Oneplus Nord Ce, for a lot of times it happens that a phone feels a lot slower than usual and you will not be able to use your phone. Definitely this is a big problem with the Oneplus Nord Ce for users because it comes with a lower end processor, not a higher end processor, but the phone is really good. And at the time what you should be doing and what are the features to use, I will discuss in this video. So definitely, as always, this will be a sick video guys, and if you are at answers, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, OnePlus have launched a lot of new widgets. One widget to show the step count, one is to show the battery life and how much screen time I will be getting, one is to show the weather, and one is to show the cleanup or do clean up the apps. This is a really useful widget. If your phone feels slow, then you can just one tap and it will clean your phone. A default widget, no need to install any apps, hidden in the widget section. You can add it anytime on your OnePlus phone. And definitely there are some other features which you can do or functions you can do. Apart from this, the phone feels a lot more smoother and also it feels a lot better after the cleanup, and you should be doing and using this widget a lot. So definitely once you have done this, you can also close all the background apps, and at the same time you can go to phone manager, which is a very important app for this phone. Go to phone manager and obviously you will be getting some of the functions, and here you will get the app management. So very important thing or very important feature of the OnePlus phone is the app management. Here we will see the screen time and also you will see all the details, how much battery it is taking for which app. And definitely you can uninstall the apps which are taking much more battery or space, and obviously you will be also seeing what are the battery details and the usage. At the same time, the best feature is the uninstall apps or the all apps function. So if I click on uninstall apps, you will be getting the option to reset apps, and also you will be getting to clear the app data for individual apps. So if I go to reset, you will be seeing that all the apps which are taking a lot of space, I can just remove the data and just reset to the original state. This will free up the phone data or the storage space of the phone, which will make the phone a lot more faster. And obviously I can clean up also. So clean up, what it will do is it will just show you whether any important files are there or cache of the audio or video is there. You can clean the cache, at the same time you can just clear the data of the app also, and you can do it in bulk, which is really good. You will not be wasting any time. Just select all the apps where the data needs to be cleaned, and obviously it will clean all the data for the apps. So very important feature. And if in case you have uninstalled or just deleted some system apps, you can recover them too by clicking on recover apps. And one thing, this phone actually comes with a storage space of 128 GB, but I see that the storage space is little bit less than usual. So definitely this is a problem a lot of people faces with the OnePlus Nord Ce, and you will be getting time to time notification that your phone may slow down, your storage space is low, and obviously this app will help you to clean up all the storage space, where you can see what are the large files and which files can be deleted. So definitely this will help to clean up your storage space and also boost up your phone. So now let's see how you can get this widget. So to get the widget, you just need to press and hold, click on this plus sign, and you will be getting a lot of widgets which you can use. Click on phone manager, and here you will be getting the one tap RAM cleaner widget, which is a very useful widget. And once it is done, you just need to tap on it when your phone is feeling slowed down, and obviously it will optimize your phone at the same time so that you can use your phone flawlessly, and your OnePlus Nord Ce works really well. So this is what I wanted to show you guys about the new widget. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.